Welcome to a new video. In this video, I will share with you my recent project. This project is one of the best projects I have made on this channel. It is a simple text-to-speech app. I have created this project before, but this time I made it better than ever. As you can hear, the speech is very clear and more human-like. This is thanks to the ElevenLabs API. It is the best and most amazing API you have ever used. You can generate human-like voices, voice cloning, and more features. I'll leave the link to this project in the description. Thank you for watching the video, and if you want to support our channel, from the link in the description, I have created an account on ko-fi.com to receive donations from viewers, so you can support us using this link. It is a very easy way. Thanks, and see you in another video.